Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out another one of my videos. So today we're going to be wiring up a front view camera on my BMW F30. Alright, so I have the BMW unit in my car, like the multimedia unit. I plugged in my backup camera to it, and now I want to do like a front view camera that's like built into the grill. So if I'm parallel parking, I can just switch the input on my iDrive screen, and when I switch it into reverse, obviously I'll see the reverse camera, and when I switch it into front view, I'll see the front. So it'll be easier to parallel park, or when you're pulling up to high curbs, like those parking curbs, you'll be able to see if you're clearing them or not. So this is the camera I got. So as you guys can see, it just clips into the grill of the BMW. So these are cables it came with. So basically this RCA cable connects to the Beamer Tech unit inside the car, and then you wire up the red cable to the power. So let's try and wire this up. So from the images I was looking at eBay from this listing, it's supposed to go right in here. So what I'm gonna do is move the bumper out of the way a little bit, run the wire, and we'll get the wire close to the fuse box, and we'll run a cable to the inside of the car. So what I'm gonna do is just get this bumper out of the way a little bit, so I can try and run the cable from the other side. So we gotta remove these screws. They're T30 and T25s. So the problem I'm running into, these legs are too big, and it kind of squishes the grill because I have the M-style grill in my car. So what I'm gonna do is take off one set of these legs and maybe secure it some other way. So I'll let you guys know how it works. Okay guys, so I got it wired up. Let's take a look. So this camera did not fit with the existing legs. So what I did is took a grinder and got the legs off of it, and I just put a piece of zip tie behind the camera. I'm probably gonna put a piece of 3M tape also to keep it a little more secure, but it's like sturdy in there. So that's how it's looking. It's kind of sticking out more than I would like it to, but I'll still work on the placement of this. So then what I did is ran the cables through the bumper. They're coming out right here. I didn't hide them yet. So, and then there's a pass through into the cabin right there. And I have the second cable going to the fuse box, and I piggybacked off the cigarette lighter fuse in there. So let's get in the car and take a look. Well, coming out from the footwell, I'm gonna hide it by the trim. Let me brighten this. So yeah, I have the cable coming out, so I'm gonna hide it around the trim. And I have the AV cables from Beamer Tech coming out on the passenger side. So I'll run it under here I have it plugged in right there. So let's get this car started and take a look. So here you go. So I have the Beamer Tech button right here, so I can switch the inputs by pressing that button. So here we go, I'm on the main screen. So I'll press this button twice. And I have the front view camera. And if I put it in reverse, I have the reverse camera. My trunk's open right now. Put it back in park. I have the front view camera. Say overall, this is a nice camera. The only problem is it doesn't fit the M-style grill very well, so I need to figure out a better way to mount it inside the grill. But other than that, I think this is a good mod. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So another little update. I was putting everything together and decided just to put it right there. I just have it held on with a piece of zip tie. I'm gonna put some 3M tape around it and I hope it holds down there. Yeah, I didn't like the way it looked in the grill. I thought it was kind of bulky. And I know there's cameras that have like a top mount or bottom mount that can screw in right there. But obviously, you know, I thought this one would fit perfectly in the grill. So I'll give you guys some alternatives in the description to other cameras that might be a better mount if you have the M-style grill also. So I'll show you guys the view right now. So that's how it looks like with it all the way on the bottom. You can still get a great view while you're parking and stuff. I think it still looks good. But yeah, thanks for checking out this video again, and make sure to subscribe and leave me a comment with any questions.